In this video, I will show how you can speed up your editing dramatically with shortcuts. As a beginner, what would you do? Use your mouse very often, right? You hit the play button with your mouse, stop, select the blade, click on the clip and also right click to delete it. This process takes a lot of time. Some of you might use few shortcuts like split the clip or even ripple delete. When I want to make a rough cut, I would simply use 3 shortcuts along with JKL and never touch the mouse. So this is how I do. Go to keyboard customization, search for nearest and assign a key to select nearest clip or gap. What it does is, it selects the clip nearest to playhead or the clip on which the playhead is, which will be useful when you have clips on multiple tracks. Now search for split and assign a key to it. As the name says, it splits the selected clip. If no clip is selected, it split the clips on all the tracks. Now search for ripple and assign a shortcut to ripple delete. As you know, it ripple deletes the selected clip. So this is how fast you can edit with these shortcuts. Hit L to play, K to stop, A to select, S to split, D to ripple delete. Do you use any other shortcuts apart from this? Let me know in the comments. If you think this video is useful for you in one way or the other, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.